How was it working with this growing baby?
It was really fun, actually. It was, Pat's a genius, so she really sort of worked miracles. And I was lucky that it didn't sort of pop until the very end. So we got lucky, and then we just sort of carry around bowls of popcorn and strategically throw my son in front of me. So yeah, no profile shots. So
No profile.
We had discussed at one point whether to incorporate it into the storyline. We realized by the time it airs, like we would have to hide your pregnancy initially, and then when you'd already given birth, we would have to pad you to make you look pregnant. Like, it would not have time to. Okay.
And at that point, you'll be like, I'm not wearing a pregnancy.
I just gave birth.
Yeah.
Where am I going to wear?
Exactly.